Sitio, Bayaket, Bayo yung basista Pangasinan. Shoutout kay Elizabeth Evangelista, may Jibel Dory, at kay Bernard Custodio, at sa mga followers natin na taga Bayaket, Bayoyong.
There were things I've known. I said to get you way to find food. Come, there was something inside. There was something going on.